Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is July the 14th and I'm using my new BB Scalper trading system. This system uses the Bollinger Bands, as you can see. We have the squeeze right here, and it also has down at the bottom some oscillating indicators. And the most important indicator, as far as I'm concerned, is the arrows. They're called the super signal indicator. Now you'll get an audio sound in this pop-up box suggesting to buy and or sell. Now every morning at approximately 6 a.m. I get in front of the computer. I'm looking at all the different instruments, Forex and the futures, and I'm also looking at my daily trade plan. After I make a decision I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow that you see here. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's running in real time, analyzing the charts from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes. And within the comments here, it'll say look for bullish trades, bearish trades, and sometimes it'll say preferred. Trading is much more easy to do, especially if you have some kind of a daily trade plan. If you don't have a daily trade plan, well, that's one good reason why you're still failing. And of course, if you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, you can look right below this video. There's lots of information. And of course, you can also get in contact with me. Okay, now we can take a look at these trades I did. The first one was the pound yen. And you can still see on the meter here, it's almost a bust, right? Well, it is right now. 20% or less is called the bus driver. And the reason, well, there is a reason why it's not dropping a lot, because they're right beside each other. And you know, I teach all of these secrets within the training videos. So I got in at this point knowing it's going to go down eventually, and down it went. And I ended up locking in, let's see, it's an approximately 13 pips, and that paid out $94. Moving on to the pound Swiss, another one I sold. Arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal. Let's see where I got in at. Now when I pulled the trigger at this point right here, it did qualify for a great way to trade. And I love trading a great way to trade because the success rate is like 95%. So getting in at this point, knowing it's going to drop, down it went. And I ended up getting 11 pips, paying out $138. This way of trading for me is easy, as you know, if I can do between 5 and 10 trades at a time, I don't need a lot of pips and or ticks. Very easy to get 200 and or more every day. Moving right along to the next one I did, the S&P 500. Let's drag and drop this up. This one I bought it, as you can see. Drag this up. Now S&P pays $5 for each tick. Took the money, divided by 5. That turned out to be 70. So getting in here where this blue cursor is, and it should be 70. And that's as close as I'm going to be able to show. Pretty close, but it's 70. And that ended up paying out $350. Moving right along to the next trade I did, crude oil. We're going to drag and drop this up. This one I wanted to be selling it. Arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal. A lot of things saying it's going to go down. I was a little bit late to pull the trigger, but I knew it was going to go down some more. So I got in at this point. And since it pays $10 for each tick, easy to see, this should be 41. There it is right there, 41 ticks, paying out $410. Okay, moving on to the DAX 30. Now in this DAX 30 here, on the DAX 30. Took the money divided by $3.75. Calculator says we're looking for 215 approximately. Now I dropped it down to the 5 minutes to get a better reading on it. So, arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal 2 times right here. Finally I took the trade, looking for 215 where I closed out here. I'd be up a lot more if I stayed in the trade. There it is right there, 215, and as you can see it's still going up. 215 ticks, that paid out $806. Okay, moving right along to the next trade, which is gold. Now in gold, this one pays $10 for each tick, so looking at the money, easy to see it should be 88. So let's see where I got in at. Wanted to be selling it. Super signal, daily trade plan, and away it went. This is where I got in, and we're looking for, what I say, 88. 88, there it is right there, 88. And that ended up paying out $882. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is the NASDAQ. It was the winner for the day. It moved and paid out the most. NASDAQ right here. Wanted to be buying it. Daily trade plan, super signal, and away it went. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Got in here. Right at this candle right here. That was the 9:30 opening bell. But I knew once that stabilized that it'll continue to go in the direction of the daily trade plan. So I got in here. Now I took the money, divided it by 20 as it pays $20 for each tick. Calculator says it's approximately 53. So we're looking for 53. There it is right there. And those 53 ticks paid out $1,058. So another great day of trading using my BB scalper. I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and or ticks. The grand total for today is 491. And all of those pips and ticks, as you can see, paid out $3,739. Now, if your system's not producing great results like my BB scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it. And don't forget about the daily trade plan. And actually, there is a my FibMaster tool that I recommend. I can show you the Fib tool. You would, after you get it, you would just click on this tab right here. You would go from swing low to swing high. There's your pullback. Came back to number 3. As a general rule, if it hits any of the entries, it'll usually make it at least to target 2, 3, 4, 5. And on this day, it hit target number 6. And there is a grand total of 10 targets all together, as you can see right there. This tool works great. It helps. And one of the reasons why it works so great is that millions of traders all over the world use Fibonacci. So it helps you with your entries and your targets. And to get more information on this, well, all you got to do is look right below this video. And if you need more information above and beyond that, just get in contact with me. Now also you'll see in the description that there's 5 different packages. The newest one I just put there is called How to Make 10K a Day Trading Mini Lots. And if you, at the beginning, if you're happy with just $1,000 a day, well, you can trade the same system, and I teach whether it's 10K a day or $1,000 a day. You just adjust the lot sizes. Quite easy to do. So you'll notice, as I mentioned, 5 different packages below in the description, and I do have a special offer that if you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 3 packages for free. Please keep in mind that each package is $250. One other thing which is very crucial for your mastering trading the markets is you need support. And of course, after you buy from me, I do give support. And without support, no matter what system you have, you will still struggle to succeed. So anytime you're buying anything from anybody, make sure you can pick up the phone or go on Teams and talk to the person. Because if you can't do that, then you're just wasting your money. And that's one of the main reasons why 95% of the traders fail. Because they're not able to talk to anybody on how to trade the system that they just bought. Well, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.